Hi everyone, welcome to SAP World. In this video we will learn about account receivable. How to create customer account groups and customer master data in SAP. SAP Accounts Receivable, a module of SAP FI, is used to manage and record accounting data for all customers. It handles customer invoices, approvals, payments, partial payments, residual payment and down payments. Every customer will have separate master record with identification number. It includes all customer details. This customer master data controlled by customer account groups. Account groups can control the customer fields which can be supres, required, optional and display. And we can create, change, block and delete the customer master record. Create GL master data for customers. T-code FS00. Click on Current Assets. Select Sundry Debtors. In Type and Description. Account Group Current Assets. Select Balance Sheet Account. Short and long text Sundry Debtors Account. Next Control Data. Account Currency INR. Reconciliation Account Type Customers. Select Line Item Display. Short key 031. Next Create Bank Interest. Field Status Group G067. Next Create Axis Bank Account. In Type and Description. Account Group Current Assets. Select Balance Sheet Account. Short and long text Axis Bank Account. Next Control Data. Account Currency INR. Select only balances in local currency. Select Line Item Display. Short key 001. Next Create Bank Interest. Field Status Group G005. Next select Current Liabilities. Create Advance from Customer's Account. In Type and Description. Account Group Current Liabilities. Select Balance Sheet Account. Short and long text Advance from Customer's Account. Next Control Data. Account Currency INR. Reconciliation Account Type Customers. Select Line Item Display. Short key 031. Next Create Bank Interest. Field Status Group G067. Next Create Sales Account under Sales Group. In Type and Description. Account Group Sales. Select Profit and Loss Statement Account. Short and long text Sales Account. Next Control Data. Account Currency INR. Select only balances in local currency. Select Line Item Display. Short key 001. Next Create Bank Interest. Field Status Group G001. Next select Expenses Group. Create Cash Discount Paid Account. In Type and Description. Account Group Expenses. Select Profit and Loss Statement Account. Short and long text Cash Discount Paid Account. Next Control Data. Account Currency INR. Select only balances in local currency. Select Line Item Display. Short key 001. Next Create Bank Interest. Field Status Group G001. This all GL data I have copied from another company code. If I create again, it will be shown as twice. This 5 account we will use in account receivable configuration and postings transactions. By using this data you can create GL master data more easier. Next, define document types for account receivable. T-code OBA7. Go to Position. Select Document Type DR. Select Customer Invoice. Document Type DR. Customer Invoice. Number range 18. If you want you can select more fields as mandatory fields like reference number. Document header text. Once you select this fields you cannot post invoice without completing this fields. Click back. Select DZ. Document type DZ customer payment. Number range 14. Click on back arrow. Next select DA. Document type DA customer document. Number range 16. Next create number range intervals. T-code FBN1. Enter company code. Click on create intervals. Number range 18 for customer invoice. 401 to 500. Number range 14 for customer payment. 501 to 600. Number range 16 for customer document. 601 to 700. This number ranges I have copied from another company code. For 2023 and 2024. Without create number range intervals you cannot post single document in SAP. For clear understanding you can use this data for define document types and create number range intervals. Next, creation of customer account groups. T-code OBD2. Select new entry. Give any 4 characters, alpha or numeric in account group field. Enter text in meaning field. Here we have option to select one-time customer. We can create one-time customer master record for those customers which do not have frequent transactions and we do not want to maintain their master records separately. In such cases we create one-time customer in which general information, name, address, phone number, can be maintained at the time of transactions. I am creating customers for regular transaction. Next, click on company code data. Next, account management. Select reconciliation account as required entry. Click on Save. Next, create number range intervals for customers. T-code XDN1. Click on Create Intervals. Finding free intervals little difficult task. Here I am searching for short number from existing intervals. I am trying to find within 3 digits number. I want number range intervals from 700. So I am reducing this number from 1888 to 700. Click on Save. Go to Intervals, click on Free Intervals. Give number range. Select and click OK. Number range TM701 to 1888 was created. Assign number ranges to customer account group. T-code OBAR. Go to Position. Give account group. Give TM in number range. Click on Save. Next, create customer master record. T-code XD01. Select account group. Click OK. Title Company. Next Name of Company. Next Search Item. Next Street Name. Postal Code. Country. Region. Click on Company Code Data. Select Reconciliation Account Sundry Debtors. Short key 031. Select Cash Management Group. Select D6 for major customers. Next, click on Payment Transaction. Terms of Payment 0001. Click on Save. Customer 701 has been created for company code time. Create 2 more customers using same method. Choose different company names and places. Reconciliation Account. Short key. Cash Management Group. And terms of payment will be same for all customers. Customers 702 and 703 has been created for company code time. Total, we have created 3 customers. 701 A Company Limited. 702 AB Company Limited. 703 ABC Company Limited. And we can see here posting keys and T-codes for posting transactions. We will use this posting keys and T-codes when we post transactions. Next, post customer invoice. T-code F-22. Select document date. Select customer account. Enter amount. Business area. Enter text. Select posting key 50. Select sales account. In amount field star. Business area. In text field plus. Click on Save. Document 401 was posted in company code time. Go to Document. Select Display Document. Posting key 01 Debit Customer. Posting key 50 Credit GL Account. Next, display customer line items. T-code FBL5N. Select Customer Account. And open items. Click on Execute. Customer Account 701. Customer Invoice 401 status in red color pending for incoming payment. Next, post incoming payment. T-code F-28. Select document date. Clearing text. Select Axis Bank account. Enter amount. Business area. Enter text. Select customer account. Click on Process Open Items. Customer Invoice 401. Amount entered 20,000. Not assigned 0. Go to Document, click on Simulate. Click on Save. Go to Document. Select Display Document. Posting key 40 debit GL account. Posting key 15 credit incoming payment. Next, display customer line items. T-code FBL5N. Select customer account. Select cleared items and date. Click on Execute. Document number 401, customer invoice amount of 20,000. Cleared with document number 501, incoming payment for customer 701. Next, display Sundry debtors account balances. T-code FD10N. Select customer and company code, click Execute. All customer account balances will display under Sundry debtors account. Debit and credit totals should be equal after posting incoming payment. In this video we have learnt a lot about account receivable. Create customer account groups and create customer master data. Posting customer invoices and incoming payments in SAP. Thank you for watching and please subscribe.